Want to learn how to use class attributes in Python and build better projects? Let's dive straight into defining and using class attributes in a real-world scenario, fast and hands-on. In this quick tutorial, we'll cover what class attributes are in Python, how to define them, how to use them in real-world projects, practical examples to make you confident in applying them. We'll be using Jupyter Notebook or any IDE of your choice, but for this video, we'll stick with Jupyter Notebook. Let's jump in. Let's start by defining a simple class and adding class attributes to it. We'll make it a class for an employee. Company and raise amount are class attributes, which are variables that are shared among all instances of this class. These values belong to the class itself, not to any specific instance. You might be wondering, how do we change these values for individual employees? Stick around and we'll answer that shortly. Now let's create an instance of the class and access the class attributes. Employee 1 is an instance of the employee class. We access the class attribute company via employee 1. All instances share this same value. We can modify the class attributes for all instances by changing it directly on the class. Here we change the raise_amount class attribute to 1.05. This affects all instances of the class. So even though we modified it via the class, the new value is reflected in employee 1. What if we want to set instance-specific values but still keep some class attributes? We can use the init method. Here, name and salary are instance attributes set using the init method. They are unique to each instance. Class attributes like company and raise amount still apply across all instances. We can change the instance attributes for specific objects, but class attributes are shared. Here we updated the salary attribute for employee 1, but the company attribute remains the same for all instances unless changed on the class. You can access class attributes through an instance, but it's more common to access them through the class. Here, why employee1.company works is best practice to access company via the class itself, employee.company, especially when dealing with shared values. In a real-world app, you might use class attributes for things like company-wide policies, default settings, or configuration values. For example, here, the tax_rate is a class attribute, and we access it to calculate tax for product 1. Class attributes make it easy to maintain consistent values across all instances. If you found this tutorial useful, like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future lessons where we will add more features to this project, like updating salaries dynamically and creating methods to calculate bonuses or other employees' benefits. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.